Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another video about the Zuma 158 or the Zuma RC158. Used to be a Zuma 125 2016, and what we're going to attempt to do today is we are going to take the Zuma. I already did a speed test. If you want to look at the speed test, that is the stock engine. It's going to be up here. If you want to look at the Zuma with the 158 cc, the RC kit, it's going to be right here. And this will be the video where we test to see if the Yamaha Zuma will do good on the freeway. No intro today, we're just going to go straight into the video. So I have modified exhaust, which really all I did was cut out the catalytic converter and welded on an exhaust. I'll put that up here. And then I did a short intake on here, and I'll put that up on the top right corner right here. Okay, sorry. Someone apparently was very confused as to where they wanted to go. And I did point the camera purposely down so that we could get the speedometer. But short air intake, actually I eliminated the air intake and they put it in. I'm going to actually rethink that because I put a 45 degree or 90 degree elbow on there. I'm going to try to see if I can make it a little bit more, less bendy, I suppose. When I did the 158cc kit, I'll put a list of players up here. That one is I did the 158cc kit with the bigger injector and the cam. It all came in one kit, didn't need anything else apart from some tools and maybe some Loctite and a hammer, slide hammer that I had to make. Well, you know, watch the series if you're interested in putting a big bore kit on a fuel-injected 2016 125 Zuma. From there, I really haven't done much since then. It is so reliable right now. It is so useful right now that what I want to be able to show people is if they are able to take the Zuma and do short bouts on the freeway with it. Now, I already have taken it on the freeway as a regular 125, not the 158, but when it was 125, it ate a lot of gas, full throttling it on there. So, I'm hopeful that what we're going to do now, it will also eat tons of gas too. Not hopeful, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be eating a lot of gas. But can you take it on freeway? Can you ride it through 3 exits? I don't know. We're about to find out. This is the turn, guys. After this Ford Focus, which they don't make anymore, right? Do they make the Ford Focus still? Oh my gosh, I have to cross like 3 lanes to the left to get to the freeway with all these cars and traffic. I don't know, guys. I might get run over. I don't want to get run over. I can't do anything until this guy goes. Come on, dude. Golly, you're in a freaking car. Alright, we're on the freeway. There's a Prius in front of me. We're going to try to pass the Prius. We're passing the Prius at 65 miles per hour. You can see it, 65. I have 9-gram sliders in the stock CVT in here. I am at 67 miles per hour, going uphill, chasing this Ford, Land Cruiser? Not Land Cruiser. Yeah, Land Cruiser. Now at the top of a bridge, we're going to be coming down the other side at 57 miles per hour. Aw, man, he's going slow. Now I'm going 66. I'm just going to keep going, guys. We're going to try to... Oh, I'm sputtering. I am going 67, going 66, 67, going uphill, which is already 5 miles per hour better than I was with the 125cc kit. 67. That's not bad, right? I mean, I'm on the freeway. 68. Not bad. Am I gonna blow up? Oh man, I'm about to hit 10,000. I'm at 9,500 RPM. probably should put larger slider weights inside of here. I'm going to take one more exit and see. Man, I can't. I'd like to get around this car. Yeah, I'm not going to get around this car. They're just going to go slow. I mean, look, I'm going the speed limit. I'm going over the speed limit. I can get a speeding ticket right now for riding the Zuma on the freeway if a police officer was so inclined. What I'm impressed with is that I could go up the bridges at 67 miles per hour, 66 miles per hour. I'm hitting rev limiter. Yep, that's rev limiter, 68 miles per hour. Alright, it's time to experiment with something a little bit different as far as speed mods go. I'm going to try some 9 to 10 gram sliders in here and then change the CVT out next. I also have a new belt. But you can't complain, guys. I'm going over the speed limit. Police can get mad at me. I am running very high on the rev limiter, and I can hear it doing cut. I'm bouncing. I'm probably pretty sure this isn't good. This isn't healthy for anybody. Oh. I mean, I'm impressed. Anyways, we're about to exit. Let's not die. We were on the freeway for a little while. Looks like you can take this on the freeway, and everybody who owns... I'm sorry. I mean, I know that these types of scooters are popular in... I know these scooters are popular in Europe and stuff like that, and less popular in the United States. But you know what? I absolutely love it. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you today. Riding on the freeway. How fast can I go? Maybe you want to follow the same route I did with these mods. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next video.